Tony, they're hiding. They're doing okay though. As long as they're doing okay. Tony, did you bring any toilet paper? Ah. We're in a slight dilemma. Crates again. He's hit. I shot him. I shot him. Oh, big shotter! I'm out completely. No. Problem. There's a wasp. No, it's a honeybee. Wait, that could be a wasp. I'm not sure. Hopefully it's not a wasp. I don't know what it is. I haven't got any ammo either, so I might join you. They're running! Grenade! Woo! I have no ammo, but it's worth it. Pew, 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 pew! I don't have ammo. Wait. Pew, 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 pew! Pew, pew! I need ammo! I can't! I need an M4 mag, not a UMP45 mag! No, it's an M4! Oh, that could be helpful. Hello! I'll get it for you. I know! Is this a mid cap? Never mind. No, it's a high cap. Jack! What? Doesn't fit. Doesn't feed and doesn't fit. Contact behind the shed. My head's wrong, not again. The magpie. That echoed so much. Oh my god! That echoed so much! Ow! This is going to make a great video.
Standing much longer and we're going to have to do a porno. 170 little zeros wide.
170 degrees wide.
No, little zeros.
That's degrees.
Or is it a little low?
Do you mind not staring into my eye? Look, just because you're staring into it doesn't mean you're going to get a place in the video, okay?
1080p HD.
It is in 1080p HD, actually. It always is. Sometimes. Sometimes it's in 720, but I don't know why that is.
Because you're lazy up.
Jack, do you want to be in the video?
Me?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
I don't know, but
it's
recording now. So.
We're doing interviews.
Yeah, he's
welcome to his YouTube channel.
Cool.
Would you what's your favourite video of his?
The one where I kill him with a knife.
Yeah, it's probably that one.
Yeah. Oh. You enjoyed watching that one, didn't you?
Yeah, I was in it. It was great.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Bit of fun, but, you know.
How long have you been subscribed to his channel? 4 years. Oh my gosh, that's quite a while.
Oh, you should be. I mean, we're like...
No, I'm joking. I have. Okay, cool. Doing an interview, so I'll be down in a minute.
Okay.
No, it's not. Mine's in the thingy.
Next interview question. How many questions would you like in the interview?
How many you got?
Well, I could stand here all day.
He really
okay,
could.
one last one.
One last question. Why is it like generic for chairs to be like white, like lawn chairs?
That's a tricky question.
You know why? Hold that a sec.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Look at the colour combination between the white and the green.
That's beautiful.
Look, it's just amazing, isn't it?
That's beautiful.
Someone did art in school, didn't they?
Oh look, you
That's some real
is
colour
that a
theory
hole?
shit, right?
Oh look, it's got a piss hole in it. Not a piss hole,
I'm sorry, what?
We're doing
Isn't that what
interviews.
you're doing
Oh, I
wrong?
can't do it. I'm doing
We're
an
doing
interview.
interviews. Alright,
You're just standing in the interview.
Welcome
What are
to
you
the
doing?
interview.
We're doing an
One more
interview.
question. The interview's over.
I'm heading up.
The interview.
Guys, are we heading up or are we just going to stand here? Come on, no, let's not. Guys, Guys, there's people aiming at me. Woo! No, you don't. No, you don't. What are you doing to my Pikachu? What are you doing to my Pikachu?
You're my Pikachu.
Bang, 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 bang. You're on film as well, guys, so congrats. Thank you.
No, thank you. I appreciate that.
Bang, bang. I don't want to shoot you with this. I didn't. I didn't
Really appreciate that.
You wouldn't mind just stopping there, would you? Hit! Never mind, don't worry. Yeah,
I really appreciate that.
no, it's alright, I just didn't really want to, because obviously it's probably going to hurt at that rate.
Yeah, yeah.